All right, here's the repair we're going to do today. We got a 1999 Chrysler Concorde and the driver's door glass is falling out of it. Okay, when we take a door panel off, there's different ways that these are fastened. Okay, at this point, I've taken every fastener out that I can see. Sometimes you have to hunt for them, okay? And then the door panel can either pop off or it will lift off. Okay, at this point, we're going to take the door panel off. Set it back off. I'll be right back. Okay, we had to come back and get this little tool so I can get the wiring harness off. So once that's popped off, the door panel is removed. All right, let's talk about what I had to disconnect in the wiring harness. This is your courtesy light. This is your power window switch. This is your power door lock switch. And this is power mirror. Okay, now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take the power window switch out. That way I can control the regulator and the motor with the door panel off. Okay, now we're going to remove the rain shield. Now the reason why we're doing this is I'm going to try to sell this car. Okay, so I got a used piece of glass from the junkyard. So let's go ahead and remove the rain shield and it'll get us down to the regulator. This is sealant that we're cutting off right here. And that's the best way to get it off is just go ahead and take your razor knife, pull it back, and cut the seal. If you try to just pull it, you may tear it. We don't want to tear it. And sometimes you do have to pull it. But we're going to try not to. Okay, so now we're down to the regulator and the glass. Okay, we got it apart. I removed a piece of reinforcement. This will allow me to access the piece of glass. Now, if you look at the piece of glass, it's about to fall off. Okay, and this is the regulator. So I need to put this in the channel. And we'll go ahead and attach it to the regulator. So let me go ahead and remove the glass. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put some WD-40 in the channel so I can slip the glass in place. That will allow it to move a little bit easier. Let's see how that. This is the window we removed, and you can see where it came off. And this is the part that failed. Okay, this is the piece of glass we got from the junkyard. So now let's see if we can put it into the regulator. We've lubed the track up. And what I'll try to do is I'll try to go ahead and install it on the front and put it into the track. Like so. Now bear with me. This takes a little bit of manipulation. Just like that. That's perfect. I'm going to bring it down into the track. Bring it down to the regulator. Okay. Because I do not want to drop this piece of glass. Alright, so what I had to do is I would have to get a nut started in the regulator track. Just enough to hold the glass into place. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to try to get it attached in the front. Okay, we got the window in, and now we can work it. So that's good. Okay, we have the glass put in place, and I'm going to show you about the window regulator. That's what this is right here. Okay, and that's the window regulator motor. Okay, now there are a certain amount of adjustments on these. What I ended up having to do is right here and here, that's the brackets for this channel. Okay, I ended up loosening that up. That allowed me to place the glass properly. All right, I want to show you something. I want you to pay attention to this bolt and this bolt on the regulator. All right, I want you to pay attention to those two bolts, because you see that one has a larger head than this one. And if you look, there's a ring around that. That's there because that is incorrect bolt. That should be like this one. The ring around that bolt is called a witness mark. Witness marks are an indicator where fastener was tightened. If you look right here, there's a reinforcement that comes in between here and here. That's a witness mark. So when you're putting the regulator in, you're putting these pieces in. If you align all your witness marks, it's probably going to work properly. Sometimes you have to loosen them so you can make adjustments to make everything fit, but you should always follow the witness mark. At this point in time, we're done with the car. I'm going to put the rain shield back on. I'm going to go ahead and put the door panel back on, and then we'll clean the glass, and we will get it ready to sell. All right, let me put the door panel back together.